If Canva is giving you an error when downloading your video, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your export working again. This is a really common issue, and the good news is that most of the time it can be solved without reinstalling anything or starting your project over. We'll go through simple fixes like refreshing Canva, checking your internet speed, reducing the size of your video, changing the download quality, and clearing your browser cache. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just glitches for a moment, and a simple refresh can clear that out. On Windows or Chrome, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, and on Mac you can use the refresh option in your browser. After the page reloads, go back and try downloading the video again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt Canva during the export process, especially if your video is large or has a lot of elements. Open a new tab and search for a speed test, then run one to see if your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, try switching networks, restarting your router, or using a stronger connection before trying the download again. Now, if the connection is fine and the problem continues, the next best step is to reduce the video size. Large projects with lots of animations, heavy elements, long clips, or multiple pages can sometimes trigger download issues. Go back into your Canva design and look for anything that may be making the file too heavy. Try removing unnecessary graphics, shortening the video if possible, or deleting any extra pages you do not need. Once you've trimmed it down a little, try exporting again. This often helps because Canva has less data to process during the download. Another useful fix is to change the download quality. When you're ready to export, click Share, then Download, and make sure you select MP4 if you're downloading a video file. If the highest quality option is causing trouble, lower the quality and then try downloading again. Sometimes a slightly lower resolution is enough to make the export succeed, especially on larger projects or slower connections. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can build up and interfere with websites like Canva, causing download errors or strange behavior. To clear it in most browsers, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. From there, select cached images and files, then clear them. After that, reopen Canva, sign in again if needed, and try to download one more time. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If you've gone through all of these steps and Canva is still not downloading your video, try combining them. Refresh the page, check your speed, simplify the design, lower the export quality, and clear the cache. One of those fixes usually gets the download working again. The main thing is not to panic because this error is usually temporary and very fixable. Once your video exports successfully, you can continue working as normal and save yourself a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped you fix the Canva download error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.